Today we bring you 7 tips for a healthy lifestyle.
Living in a fast paced world, it can be difficult to support a healthy lifestyle. Many people simply do not have the time to spend in the gym daily. Fortunately, there are some things to encourage a healthy lifestyle that may not be big changes to a person's current life choices. Before we move forward, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So the first point is make time to eat breakfast. Eating breakfast is vital in getting the body mentally and physically ready to take on the day. There is no need to plan a large meal and a ton of time to eat breakfast. Simply making sure to have something, even if it is on the go, can make a difference. A good laugh and a long sleep are the best cures in the doctor's book. So that takes us to our second point, get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is another way for a person to improve their health. It is recommended that an adult should get a minimum of 6 hours of sleep each night. It is said that thousands of people have lived without love, but not one without water. And that takes us to our third point, carry water everywhere you go. Water is the best drink when trying to stay hydrated. In order to make certain a person is drinking enough water, it is best to carry it everywhere. More stretching, less stressing. That's the motto of our fourth point, that is, stretch before bed. Chiropractors have long suggested stretching before bed can help relax the body, which can lead to a more restful sleep. The key to a good meal is simplicity and the right seasoning. And that takes us to our next reasoning, plan your meals in advance. Although planning meals in advance may seem like a hassle, it is the most certain way to ensure a person is eating healthy, well-balanced meals. When there is no plan, it may seem easier to stop by a fast food restaurant and grab something which will usually be unhealthy. Today, we are all surrounded by gadgets. On one hand, they make our lives easy, but on the other, we have all become very unhealthy. And that takes us to our next point, that is, spend less time on electronics. While technology can be great, it can also be unhealthy. So, it is important to spend some time screen-free. This can give the eyes a break as well as the back. People generally do not use good posture when using technology. Poor posture can be linked to poor health. If you want an adventure, take a step outside. And that brings us to our final point, that is, spend more time outside. Getting outside, even if for a few minutes each day, can have a positive impact on a person's health. Fresh air is great for the immune system. Making just a few of these a part of your life can help you begin a path to a healthy lifestyle. Keep in mind that some of these changes may seem difficult at first, but the benefits far exceed the struggle to sustain them.